Hey friends, if you wish to dictate in Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. The option to dictate is available in the online version and in the paid Microsoft 365 version. It's not available in the Microsoft Home and Student version, even if it's paid. So I'll show it for the online version. It's same for every other version that supports this option. When you're in the Home tab, simply click on Dictate, this button here. Okay, and you will have to allow the microphone. Wait, select this one. Okay, here is the dictate button. When you click on it, it will start with the dictation. So I am dictating this, and then click on this button to stop it. See, it will copy the text and write it here. And this is very interesting for people who have to write a lot. You can simply speak your ideas and then it will write the needful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.